On a hike to the Jones Wildlife. I got a little traveler on my back. A lot of snow at the end of April. Whoa! The deer getting that. Moose poop. Oh no. First one's here. That looks weird. So we were the last ones here in October. First one's back. And this is destruction everywhere. Beavers. Oh boy. Look at that. Oh, the beavers. That's one winter. Look at them.
Look at this.
This is all from this winter.
He got that now.
It's going to sleep. There's our lake, April 23rd. Whoa! Ah, down I went.
Okay.
Yeah.
Someone to lean on?
Yeah. Oh, that's in my boot. There's a tunnel
Yeah, look.
leading there.
There's the trees and
There's his tracks.
it comes down, goes down,
Oh no, can you do it? Oh, this is so steep. Oh. Yeah. Get up. Monkey see, monkey do. Oh man.
Well, I will have watching.
How's it going back there? What are you talking about?
Peeing all the way around so it lands back on jump ball. That was yours!
No bison jerky I ever had.
Then again, it's the only bison jerky you've ever had.
It's okay, we'll keep coming back for more.
Wow, Farmer Jude. Back to the van.